is audit? कौन है audit? क्या है audit? Audit is an independent examination, wonderful, of who? Of financial information. Of who? Of any entity, whether profit oriented or not, irrespective of its size or legal form. Why doing such an examination when such an examination is being conducted with a view to expressing an opinion thereon? Wonderful. Right? Once again, yes, to give a report. So how do you express your opinion? By issuing an audit report. Right? So what is the definition of audit? Audit is an independent examination of financial information of any entity, whether profit oriented or not, irrespective of its size or legal form, and when such an examination is being conducted with a view to expressing an opinion thereon. Right, so first we said audit is an independent examination. What do you mean by independent? Independent in what? Independent in decision making, independent in judgment. When will you say that whether you are independent in judgment? Exactly, when your decision making is not a subordinate to the wishes or directions of another who might have engaged the auditor or for his own self-interest, right? So not coming under the influence of anybody, right? That is basically what we mean by the independence of the auditor, right? We are going to have a bigger discussion regarding independence of auditor in our chapter number 11 also, right? So independent examination of financial information. Wonderful. You remember that independence of the auditor is non-negotiable. And you can't say little bit see auditor, little bit here and there, you say nothing. And this is what it is. Okay, right? It is non-negotiable. Okay. Overriding commitment to the independence requirement and not allowing commercial consideration to override your, independence of the auditor. The client is telling you instead of 40 lakh, we give you 80 lakh fee, but you don't, report any fraud error. Auditor will say no. Okay, right. Then after that we said independent examination of financial information. So financial information is there in the financial statements, and financial statements are prepared from the books of account, right? So what all is included in financial statements? Balance sheet, statement of profit and loss, cash flow statement, then the SOCE, statement of changes in equity if applicable, and then the notes. What is notes? What is another name for notes to account? Summary of significant accounting policies and other explanatory information. Right? Summary of significant accounting policies and then the other explanatory information. Right? That is what you mean by the notes to account and the financial statements as a whole. Right? Of any entity. So audit could be done of a profit making company, not for profit company, 1 crore company, 1,000 crore company. It could be a company, it could be a private company, public company, listed company, foreign company, LLP, association of person, any entity. And irrespective of its size or legal form. So any of it could be the legal form. And why such an examination is being conducted? In order to express an opinion thereon. Right? So ultimately what we have to do, we have to express an opinion on the financial statements. Okay.